Hello. This is the Development Application Status and Teams dashboard. I will be giving a demonstration of the different items on the dashboard and how they work, starting from the left side of the screen. The first item is the total number of active development applications indicator, which shows the number of active applications that the regional staff are currently reviewing from this year. Below the indicator is a list of active applications that the staff are reviewing. The basic details of each application are shown, including the regional file number, the external file number, and the date that the application was received at the region. You can locate an application in the map window by clicking on an application in the list, prompting the map to zoom into the location of the application. Once the map has zoomed into the application, you can click on the application boundary to view additional details about the application. This includes regional and local contacts, the description of the application, important dates, and whether there are any outstanding fees. Click on the application in the list again to zoom back out in the map window. In the map window, you can also see that the different areas in York Region are color-coded, symbolizing the boundaries of the different teams in charge of each area. The North team is in orange, the East team is in blue, and the West team in green. You can click on an area boundary to see the regional contacts of each team. For example, if you were to click on Whitchurch Stouffville, the contacts for the East team will be shown. You can also click on the email link for the contact to email them directly. At the top of the map window, there are other features including a search bar to search the address of an application if known. You can type in an address and press enter for the map to locate and zoom into that address. Next to the search bar is a legend tab where you can see the symbology or color coding of the application types and the teams as mentioned previously. This next icon will allow you to turn the visibility of specific layers on or off. Click on the eye icon to hide a layer. I can hide the applications layer, the teams layer, or both by clicking on the general layer. The last icon provides different base maps that can be displayed on the map. You can browse and select a base map to view. For example, I could change the base map to display a satellite imagery map. The default base map is the York Region street map at the bottom of the list. Moving to the bottom right side of the dashboard, there is a pie chart showing the total number of applications by type. When you click on an application type, the other interactive components will filter to only display the chosen application type. Let's click on the zoning bylaw section. Notice how the total number of active development applications has reduced from 557 applications to 119 applications. You can also select multiple sections at once. When you click the sections again, the filters are removed, returning the dashboard back to default. Above this chart is a bar graph that shows the total number of applications by municipality. This component works similarly to the pie chart, where it filters the applications by municipality. I can click on a municipality to only display the applications located in that municipality. At the top right corner of the dashboard is a menu dropdown for the users to access a help document, a link to this video, the existing development team's contact sheet, and a link to the York Region Land Development page. Beside the menu dropdown is a date filter that allows you to filter applications based on when they were received at the region. The default date range is the start of the year to the present day. For example, I can change the range to only show the active applications that were received in the third quadrant of this year. See how all the items on the page have changed. Now, only the applications that were received between July 1st to September 30th, 2021 will be displayed. Let's run through a few scenarios. Say I'm a planner at the City of Richmond Hill covering the review of a site plan for my coworker, and I need to contact York Region. In the dashboard, I would click on Richmond Hill to view the team contact list, and I would see that I can contact Dwayne Carson at the region for site plan applications. I can also click on Dwayne's email to prompt a draft email pop-up window. Now, let's say I'm a developer and I want to see if the regional staff have commented on my site plan application and if there are any outstanding fees for the application. The first thing I would do is click on East Gwillimbury in the bar graph to filter the applications by municipality. As I know the application is a site plan, I can click on the site plan application type in the pie chart. These filters will have reduced the number of applications in the list on the left side, and I can select the application I need by looking at the details shown in the list. After the map has zoomed in on my application, I can click on the application boundary to open the pop-up to see the additional details. I will see that the regional staff have completed comments on my application and that there are no outstanding fees. Additionally, if I have any further questions, I can contact the regional lead for this application as listed on this pop-up. That is all for this demonstration. I hope you have found it helpful. Please email developmentservices@york.ca should you have any further inquiries regarding the dashboard.